Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can change the banner image, picture, name, handles, description and custom URL for your YouTube channel. First of all, you need to log in your YouTube channel and on right side you will see the logo and icon of for your YouTube channel. When you click on this logo, you will find an option view your channel. Simply click on view your channel option. You will be directed to a new web page. Here you will see a option customize channel. Simply click on customize channel option. Here you will see the option of a banner image. Simply click on upload button. You will be able to upload the banner. Here you will see an option of picture, which means you can upload the picture for your YouTube channel. Simply click on upload button and then you have to select that folder where you have stored the logo for your YouTube channel. I am going to select this file and then click on open option. Here you will see the logo. Simply adjust the logo according to your need. Now you have to click on the done button. Here you will see the name for your YouTube channel. You can change that one as well. For that you need to remember that you can change your name twice in a 14 days. Here you will be able to change the handle for your YouTube channel. Simply write the handle for your YouTube channel. You will see that there is a green tick over here. It means this handle is available. Then you have a description option. Simply I am going to copy the description for my YouTube channel. And here is the description for my YouTube channel. So for custom URL, definitely your custom URL will depend upon your handle. It means you can change the custom URL when you are going to change the handle name. So I have changed my handle name, so definitely my URL will be automatically changed when I am going to publish that file. So I am going to click on publish button. Here it will ask you to verify yourself, so simply click on next button. So the all information has been changed. I am going to click on go to channel option. You will see that my YouTube URL has also been changed. You will see the channel logo as well over here. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes to appear that logo over here. You will see the description of channel over here. For such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.